everybody, welcome to the first day of the school holidays in quarantine. I've brought you today a project that is a little sciencey and a little fun, and you can build yourself a toy. See, I have my own pet tornado. Some of you will have met him. This is Bob. I know he doesn't look like a tornado just at the moment, right? But if we turn him over and we give him a swirl, then he comes out of hiding. Say hi, Bob. He's my friend. Now, Bob is really fun to play with, and I've used 2 soda bottles and a special connector to make this one. I know that you probably don't have one of these special connectors at home because I've got a huge box of them in my shop that I can't send to you at the moment because it's not essential. So what we're going to do today is we're going to try to make a connector like this out of the lids that go on the bottles to start with. Okay, so what I've got over here are my... Hi guys, now it's day 2 of the school holidays in quarantine, and this project that I was working on, it's not working. So sometimes when we do science, we create a hypothesis and we try to test our hypothesis, and it turns out we were wrong. So here I'm going to tell you what I did, what I tried, and where I went wrong. And if you can come up with another hypothesis for a way to solve this problem, then I want you to let me know, either in the comments or on Facebook, okay? So what we were trying to do was create a connector like this using the 2 lids from our soda bottles. So I drilled holes in the lids and I glued them together, and I had it smushed on my bench for a long time. We tried a little time and that didn't work, and so we tried overnight, and then the problem was when it dried it was really strong, so it wouldn't come apart this way and it wouldn't come apart sideways. But when we put it on the soda bottle and we twisted it, that torque, that twisty force pulled the glue apart. So that didn't work. So the second thing I tried was melting the plastic. So I got my big holdy things in my lighter. And if you were going to try doing anything with fire, make sure that there's a grown-up helping you. And I tried melting it around the edges so that it would hold together. And I tried melting the surfaces and putting them together and hoping that the plastic would be hard and seal it as if it was one piece of plastic. And that didn't work. So I have tried a few different ways that I could think of to try and fuse my 2 lids together with my hole in the middle. Can you see the hole? So that we could put that on the bottle and join our 2 soda bottles together just like this. And I haven't been able to engineer something that works. So that's a bit disappointing for me. But if you want to try, then go ahead. You can do your own experimenting at home. See what you can engineer to create a tornado tube like this to join your bottles together, and then you can have your own pet tornado. That's Bob, if you don't remember. Now, if you can't figure out how to put them together, you're in good company, because I couldn't figure it out either. But if you want to try, go ahead. I'm all supportive all the way, okay? Let me know if you figure it out and tell me how it works.